I know Halloween is over, but for me, Halloween is year-long. Like, it never ends. I like to keep it that way. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a cool humanoid makeup look. So guys, this is the picture I'll be recreating today. I found this on Pinterest a while back. I'm not sure who the artist is. So I'm taking a dark brow pomade and filling in my brows. My foundation and everything's already done. So the brows are going to be really dark and bold. After that, I'm going to take this black smoky eyeshadow palette from Too Faced and then use that darker brown and sweep it just back and forth on the lids. Then I usually like to apply the same eyeshadow on the bottom lash line, just making sure that the outer corners connect all the way to the top. For the inner corners, I always like to go with the lightest eyeshadow, so today I'm going with this silverish white. Now I'm going to take the black eyeshadow from the palette because this is a black smoky eye and you want to make your eyes super dark, just don't end up looking like a panda. Time to line the eyes. So this is like an icing to eye makeup. I'm going to take Thrive Cosmetics eyeliner and run it on my waterline. I'm also going to use this on my upper lash line. So this is the fun part, guys. So we're gonna do some scars on the face. I'm using the scarring liquid that I got from Party City. I'm going to create like 3 scratch marks above my eyebrows and then 1 running down all the way to the lips. I layered this liquid about 3 or 4 times and then that side of my face started feeling a little stiff and I started noticing the little indents. After that, I just went ahead and applied some reddish brown eyeshadow on top. So the scar is done. I think the last like makeup part of this face is the lipstick, and I'm using a nude lipstick from Dose of Colors. So this is where the body painting starts. I'm using Ben Nye's face painting palette to make the robot jawline and then going down the neck. The details are kind of tricky to explain, so I think I'm just gonna let you guys watch the whole video. So yes, a lot of highlighting and contouring. Now finally, the face painting part is done. And now I'm just going to put on some eyelashes. And that is basically my completed humanoid look. Craziest thing I've done so far. It scared a lot of people, so make sure you guys watch till the end for hilarious reactions.